Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the most basic and useful crochet stitches, the single crochet. In US crochet terminology, this is called single crochet. In UK terminology, the same stitch is called double crochet. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a slip knot and chain stitches. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find it in my channel and learn those first. Now that we know how to make slip knot and chain, let's move on to the single crochet stitch. I'm using DK weight acrylic yarn and 4mm crochet hook for today's tutorial. However, you can use any medium weight yarn. First we are going to start with the slip knot and make 12 chains. To do the slip knot, wrap the yarn around using your 2 fingers. Pinch here and take the yarn out. Now this is the working yarn. Put your index finger through and take the working yarn through the loop and gently pull these 2 ends. Now pull the working yarn and don't make it too tight. Now pinch here and start doing your chains. We are going to do 12 chains, yarn over and pull the yarn through the first loop. This is your first chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through. This is your second chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through. This is your third chain. Make sure you are doing the chains loose. If you do it too tight, it will be difficult for you to do the single crochet. So we did 3 chains. Now pinch here to continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold here. 9, 10, 11, 12. Once you have done your 12 chains, now we need to work around which chain we are going to start our first single crochet. So where the loop is here, this counts as the first chain and we cannot do our single crochet through the first chain. So this is the second chain from the hook. This is where we are going to start our single crochet. So you are going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and we are going to bring this working yarn through the chain. So yarn over and bring the yarn through the chain. Now you have 2 loops in the hook. You can always pinch here so it's easy for you to do your first single crochet. Now yarn over. We are going to bring the working yarn through the 2 loops. Bring the yarn through the 2 loops. So we have done our first single crochet. So now we are going to do the second one. This is the second V. Pull your hook through and yarn over and bring the yarn through the chain. Now you have 2 loops in the hook. Always pinch here so it's easy for you to work around. 2 loops in the hook. Now yarn over and bring the yarn through these 2 loops. So now you have done your second single crochet. Now this is our next V. The hook through, pull the yarn over and pull this yarn through the whole chain. Now you have 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through the 2 chains. You have done your third single crochet. So each V is the working chains. So now again the next V you are going to put the hook through, yarn over and pull this working yarn through the chain. Now you have 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull the working yarn through these 2 chains. Now you are going to continue. Yarn over, pull the yarn through, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now the next V, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. The next V, now you have 2 loops, continue until the end of the V. This is the last V. Pull the yarn over and pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Now we have done our first row. To do the second row, so we are going to build the second row on top of this first row. So now yarn over and pull through. This is called one chain. So we are going to chain 1 and turn your work around on the other side. So now we are going to work from the other side. This is our first chain because we start with the chain 1. So this is the chain we are going to work now. Now use this V. We are not going to do this from here. We are going to pull this yarn, pull the working yarn through this under the V. So put your hook under the V and yarn over and pull through. Now you have 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull the working yarn through the 2 loops. Now this is the second V, so there is a space under the V. You are going to now put the hook through and yarn over, pull through. So second chain. So under the V, put the hook through, yarn over, pull the yarn through. Now you have 2 loops, pull the yarn through the 2 loops. So the next V, under the V, we're going to continue. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. When you pull through, make sure you are pulling through more yarn here equal to the next other yarn, so it's easy for you to pull through both together. To finish, this is our last V. You can see a V here. You are going to, so make sure this is where you are going to pull through your yarn. Pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops. So now we have done our second row. Again we are going to one chain, yarn over and pull through. This is called chain. Then you are going to turn the work around. Now we are going to work on the other side. So this is our first chain. You are going to start, put the hook through, pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops in the hook. It's your first chain. So under each V you are going to do your stitch. So now we have come to the end. This is the last V. You can see this is the V, last V chain. So put your hook under through that V, pull the yarn through. Now pull through both loops. Now we have done our third row. Now chain 1 again, yarn over, pull through. We are going to turn the work around. Now we are going to work through the other side. So this is the first chain. Put the hook under the V, pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now pull the yarn through the 2 loops. Always hold or pinch here so it's easy for you to pull it through. Now this is the second V. So you can see this is the last V. Put your hook under the last V, pull the yarn over 2 loops. For the next row, chain 1. This chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. We use this chain 1 only to turn and start our next row. And this is the last V. I'll do one more row with you. Chain 1, turn your work. It's the first chain. the last weave. Now you can cut the yarn. And you're going to pull through the end of this tail through this chain and make a knot like this. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow and help you understand how to make your first single crochet. If you haven't watched my previous video where I show you how to make a slip knot and chain stitches, you can find it on my channel. I will leave the link in my description below.